Hey guys, just want to give a quick car seat installation tip. I've got this Graco Maxi-Cosi. Basically you buckle it in to the anchors on each side and then you tighten it up with the strap here, but sometimes it's really hard to get that strap tight enough. You still get a good amount of rock back and forth. So in order to get it all the way tight, what you have to do is you have to unlatch it from each side, then tighten it up some more, and then latch it, and then run to the other side. If both sides are latched, it won't tighten all the way. But if you unlatch both sides and then tighten it up, and then latch it down, you can get it pretty much tighter the way it's supposed to be. And you will have to run back and forth around your car to achieve that, but again, that's the solution, guys. If you guys have figured out another way to get it tighter, let me know. But when both of them are latched down, that strap only gets so tight. But when they're both loose, you can tighten it up significantly, shorten it, and then when you run to the other side, you will have to strain a little bit to latch it in, but you'll be able to latch it in much tighter. Overall, like the car seat though. I've been using it for about a year. I just want to give you guys that quick tip. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll catch you all next time.